Okay.
Hi, my name's Ed Wright, and I'm here to tell you my experience with Zen Windows, and I can say right off the bat that it's the best experience I've ever had with the home improvement project. Everybody I've met, from Dennis to the installer Ed and Dale, who came out and demoed the windows, all top-notch people, all made me feel very comfortable. And I'd like to start at the beginning and tell you that the way I found Zen Windows, because I had no idea what Zen Windows was I was doing some research and I found some reputable window review sites. One of them was called windowdog.com and had a link to top installers in the St. Louis area, and Zen Windows was the one that came up. So I found out the way what their business model was, and it sounded very much like something that would work for me, and it made total sense that once you understand how windows are sold, it's no high pressure at all. You just tell them how many windows you have, you get a quick estimate, and I think it took me I did it on a weekend, so I think it was the following business day. I got an estimate from Dennis, and I think it was the middle window was that he had given me an estimate was the Nirvana, and at this point in my research I thought, well, maybe I want this other one called the Karma, but the more I talked to Dennis over the phone, the Nirvana, the middle one, sounded like that was the way to go. So eventually, a day or two later, I'd pretty much narrowed my decision down after getting a couple other estimates that were in the same ballpark roughly. But Dale came out and demoed the windows to my wife and I, and Dale mentioned that the Lotus window, the higher end window, that Dennis often ran a promotion where you could get double pane windows in the Lotus, which is typically a 3-pane window, for the price of the Nirvana. So I called Dennis up and he said, yeah, they were just getting ready to run that promotion, and I was sold. It just seemed like the experience was getting better and better, and there were other little minor things where we have the need for a tempered window near a stairwell that when Dennis gave me the original estimate, he didn't include that in because he didn't ask about it. And then when I mentioned, because one of the other estimators said that, oh, you need a tempered window, that Dennis said, well, we can do that, and I'm not going to charge anything extra. Typically that was another $125. So that's just the kind of person that Dennis is, and I can't say enough good things about Dennis. In my experience with Zen, Ed, the installer, was awesome also. I'd categorize him as part artist, part magician. It was just very interesting to look over his shoulder, him not even knowing I was there. And I told him, I said, the 10 minutes that you took on that one window opening was the best 10 minutes of home improvement that I think I've ever seen before. So again, my name's Ed Wright, and if you have any questions, I'd say get in touch with me, and I'd be happy to tell you what my Zen experience is, and good luck.
How'd they do on the inside? They treat your house right today?
Absolutely. They laid down tarps from doorway all the way down the hall to all the rooms that they were going to go into. Very careful.
Cleanup?
Cleanup was, they didn't make a mess in the first place, so there wasn't much to clean up. But yeah, they were very respectful of the house, inside and out.
Good, good. Thank you.